That's sketchy. You gotta walk the gas line.
Yeah, I noticed.
Shaft is only a foot long.
This is the bad spot.
Oh shit. That's just hanging on by a thread.
What's that?
The frame.
No.
Nah,
No. We got a bucket to catch any little fuel that's gonna fall out of here.
Yeah.
Oh, this is hacked. That's free. That's good.
Need a pair of pliers?
I almost got it. I'm just. Here we go.
A little bit of fuel?
That's why I had my hand over it. I've had fuel in my face before, and it's not fun.
No.
So that's why I was trying to take my time.
Especially when it gets in your eye.
I've done it.
I've had it.
Worst pain I've ever felt. The worst pain I've ever felt in my life. I've broken bones. The worst shit ever. I got gasoline. It went in my eyes, but then it went down my eardrum. Because I went to cover my face like that, and went down my ear. I've never felt more pain in my life.
Is it common for people to stick them leaves on top of the axle instead?
It's still about a foot.
I've never seen that.
Chop saw would be nice. No, this is gonna go on the side. This piece is gonna go here, like that. And then hammer that out.
Oh, you want to put that one on first then? That way this
one's going on first, yeah. Kind of difficult to get on there nice though. You got another set of vice grips? You can use a second pair of hands if you want to. You can hold it right here with the vice grips. Or we could even clamp. No, there's not much left to clamp it to. But if you hold it with the vice grips, then I can tack it on.
There we go. Is that straight?
Just like that. Got it?
Yep.
Don't hold the metal.
Alright. I ain't gonna feel anything.
Alright. Close your eyes. Ready?
Yep.
Ready? Gloves! Watch your eyes. Dirty metal. Very dirty metal. Bless you. That makes me feel a lot better about my welding capability.
Yeah,
For somebody who's out of practice, it's not terrible.
I am man. Oh my god.
The weld underneath is what's keeping it from really bending. Probably should have just done there and then, but I kind of want it to be strong, you know?
Yeah.
Actually, the way that is, it's pretty good. What I'm thinking is when I have more time, just because that's getting a little iffy right there,
Put a patch down.
I'm just going to put a plate right across here. I can tuck it right up under and lap them over each other.
Mm-hmm. Won't even notice it.
And then, well, I mean, you'll notice it's there, but it'll be strong.
Mm-hmm.
You know, just look at that. Fits right in there. You know, I'll just cut a length here to here, pretty much.
Mm-hmm.
So I can weld here, here, that, under here, make it nice and strong. But for now, I'm not going to mess with it. For now,
Get that shock.
I want to get the backside welded, finish welding that other piece, and put the shock mount on. That's what I'm thinking.